Yo, this box is absolutely insane, man. In fucking sane. Sheesh. Sheesh. This is like a top fucking collab right here. Like, look how they coming. Look how they coming. Yo. Oh God. Yo. Look at that. Hold on. Ooh, fucking extra laces. Fucking extra. Look at the laces. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh God, these things are a beauty. I have to bring these bitches out on my birthday. And the best part about it is they didn't give me no red or blue laces, so I can go red or blue with them joints, bruh. Got the off-white black with the fucking silver tips, bruh. With the silver tips. Oh. Yo. Very slept on. Crazy if you ain't caught this. Collab of the fucking year. Right here. Collab of the year.